All right, guys, I am Coach Allie. Welcome. We are starting with a static lunge. Static means in one place. So we're not walking, we're not stepping forward, we're not stepping back. Lunges are important because they are part of your lower body, which is also a hinge movement. You're going to need to kneel down at some point, and you're going to need to pick yourself up, and we want to be able to do that easily, safe, and controlled. Lunges not only build strength, they improve balance, and if you do enough of them, you'll find that they're cardio as well. At some point, you're going to need to be able to get up from the floor, right? So let's practice them. Let's start in a split stance. That means 1 foot forward and 1 foot back. You'll find that you'll likely have to step wider than what you think. If you don't take a wide enough step, you'll find that you won't be able to get good form. In a perfect world, you create a box with your legs. So the floor, your shin, your thigh, and then that back leg should create a perfect little box. Form here is really important. You want to get the most bang for your buck, not just waste your time, right? Now we're starting with a body weight lunge. Let's make sure we perfect the strength and the balance to do the movement. You can do it with your hands on your hips, or you can do them directly down at your side. Most importantly, you're going to keep your chest up, even retracting your shoulders a little bit, just a little smidget. When you go down, this should be nice and controlled. That means you are not just falling down, and you especially don't want to bang your knee on the floor, right? So you're controlling yourself on the way down. When it's time to push up, you're pushing through your heel. Your front heel is what's really in control of the movement. Try your best not to sway forward or back or use momentum to get up, and you should be breathing when you push yourself back up. Keep your knees in line with your toes, meaning they don't flare out or in when you do this movement. You also want to make sure that your knee does not travel too far in front of your toes. And then you reset, take a nice big deep breath. Remember, you are not bringing your foot back to the center with your other leg. You're staying right there in position and ensuring you're keeping it nice, strict, and controlled. This movement creates strength, mobility, and balance, one step at a time. So keep practicing it before moving on to something more complex like doing a weighted lunge. There are a couple different variations of that. You can do it with dumbbells, or you can even do it with the bar. And just like that, you've completed your first static lunge. Great job. See you guys in the next demonstration.